right, guys, so we're out here in the 7.3 van. We got this DP Infinity tuner, courtesy of DP for hooking me up with that one. I got it on race mode right now, and we're gonna let it rip and see what this thing can do. I don't even know what to say, honestly. I really don't.
There was fire coming out of the fuck. Did you see the fire coming out of the tail?
I did. That was honestly amazing. That was ear piercing too. Dude, this 7.3 van does fucking work. Thank you, DP Tuner, for hooking me up with the Infinity tuner.
It was boxed.
Look. You can't. I fucking literally was rolling down the road. I couldn't see.
There was fire coming out of the fucking exhaust, dude.
Really? I couldn't see shit, dude.
Was it fucking video points?
It fucking looks like it. Look, both tires are fresh, fucking black.
This thing is a monster.
You got coal